tell us a bit about the journey that Biocon had. And since the 70s, you've also evolved, pivoted, reinvented, and you are still very, very relevant as one of the largest or the largest biotech company. So tell us a bit about the journey, ma'am.
Yeah, like Malini, I told you that it was really quite by accident that I started Biocon in my garage in 1978. Literally, it was because I couldn't get a job as a brewmaster for which I had qualified myself from Australia. And having been rejected and feeling very dejected, I guess I started Biocon. Now, in the early stages, of course, it was about enzymes, because I was very familiar with enzymes, having learnt the use of enzymes and the fact that the brewing process is all enzymatic. So in the early, I would say for the first 2 decades, that is from 78 to 98, I really focused on developing enzyme technologies for a host of industries. So for instance, I developed enzymes for the starch industry to convert starch to glucose. I developed a huge number of enzymes for the fruit juice industry, for the food industry, for the textile industry. I also developed a large number of enzymes even for bioremediation and effluent treatment. So it was a large, number of diverse industries that I had developed enzymes for. And one of the industries that I had also developed enzymes for was the pharmaceutical industry. So I had developed a lot of digestive enzymes for pharmaceutical industries. But then I got an opportunity of leveraging my enzyme technologies for really being seriously involved in pharmaceuticals. And that kind of led to entering into biopharmaceuticals in a serious way. So it wasn't about enzymes. Now I wanted to use fermentation technology to actually make pharmaceutical molecules. And so the first set of molecules I looked at was, of course, statins and immunosuppressants, because I could leverage some of my enzyme technologies very easily. But the real change or shift or pivot happened when I started developing recombinant human insulin.
For stories like this, keep following us. From Code to Culture, our podcast. Subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media.